Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my exfoliation routine of 2020. So these products are more for a really deep exfoliation, so you want to do this about once a week. Two of these products, I guess I would say, I use every day, but I'll let you know as we get there. These are also really affordable products, so you guys aren't going to want to miss this one. Before you even get started on exfoliating, you want to make sure that you cleanse your face. You want to make sure that your skin's clean beforehand because otherwise you're just rubbing all the dirt and debris back into your skin. And you don't want that. So the one that I've been using and loving is by Creative.Cliche, I believe is how you say it, Creative, but it's Creative Paris. So this is a foaming face wash. It is this guy here. So I'm not gonna wash my face on camera, so I'll just show you guys the texture of this. I love foaming face washes. I just feel like they really get into your pores and clean everything out. Also, I love the scent of this. It almost has like a really light vanilla smell, and my skin feels like nice and like tight and refreshed afterwards. So I definitely recommend this one. This is $28, which depending on your budget may seem like a lot, but it's actually a really good cleanser, and this has been lasting me for over a month now, so. Another really good one is by Wow Science. So they have a apple cider vinegar foaming face wash. That one is really good, and it's only $12 at Walmart. I'm telling you guys, like I would show you, but I ran out of it, so I need to restock. But that's a really good one if you're looking for like a super affordable face wash. Okay, so you guys are gonna be like shook by this product. So I don't know if I can pronounce the brand that, I think it's Abano? I don't know. But this is it here. So this is the Ultimate Brightening Peeling Gel, and this stuff is crazy, guys. So I'll show you. It's hard to see the texture on camera, but it just looks like a plain lotion. But when you put it under your skin, it starts to bead up, and it just takes off all of your dead skin cells. It works like magic. It's like the craziest thing. I already did this earlier today because I wasn't planning on filming this video, but as I was doing it, I was like, why am I not filming a video on this? But yeah, so it's not getting too much off, but you can see your dead skin cells just bead up on here, and then you obviously just wash it off. I'm just gonna wash this off real quick. Okay, I'm back. But this one is really affordable, so this is only like $14 on Amazon. And guys, like I use this probably about 3 times a week. So this one says that it's mild, although I haven't seen like a deep version or anything like that, so I don't know if it's just says mild just to let you know that it's not like a crazy exfoliator, but it literally takes off like all of your dead skin. I don't know if you guys have ever tried, I wonder if I have it here, but there's one by, is it Biolage or something that's really expensive. Well, not like really expensive. I think it's about like $40, but this does the exact same thing. So it's a peel gel as well, and it beads up like that, but so much more expensive. This is such a great dupe for it. So if you're using that one now, definitely trade it in for this one when you run out of that one. I'm telling you, they're exactly the same. So next up we have these Glycolic Acid resurfacing pads. So this is what the container looks like here. These are $25, and I get these on Amazon as well. So I'll show you guys. So you open the top there, and these are the little pads. So these are just like, if you've ever used the Oxy pads for acne, these are just like them. So they really do exfoliate. You can go hard with these too, like, and really get in there and go a little harder. Although I will warn you, these do burn a little bit, especially in the beginning until your skin gets used to them. But this really helps with wrinkles, it helps with texture. I've just noticed such a huge difference since I started using these. My skin just feels so much more plump. And it's also been minimizing my pores around like my nose area. And I have big pores like right in here. It's just making them look so tight. It's just like a miracle. So this, okay, so let's see. So it's 20% ultra pure glycolic acid, allantoin, probably said that wrong, and vitamins B5, C, and E. And it also has calendula and green tea extracts. So there are also 50 pads in here. I got this probably about a month ago, and there's like half of a stack left. I'm not gonna lie, I've used this like twice a day sometimes. Like I'll use it in the morning and then use it at night. And it really does recommend that you use it once a day, and I do agree with that, because when you do use it twice, it's like your skin just like dries out like crazy and you get like weird like patches. So because this is like a strong treatment, definitely follow the directions on this one and only do it once a day. But I'm telling you guys, like I've noticed such a huge difference in my fine lines. So after you use one of those pads on your face, definitely wait about 5 to 10 minutes for the product to fully soak into your skin before you put on any kind of like serums or moisturizers or anything. In my case, I like to use a hyaluronic acid, which is, or hyaluronic acid, which is this guy here. So hyaluronic acids are great for fighting wrinkles. They also moisturize your skin. So any kind of like fine lines and wrinkles around this area, it really combats that. And also, this just has a really plumping effect. Like hyaluronic acids in general have a really plumping effect. But this guy is $13, which isn't bad at all. I get this on Amazon as well. But I will say though, it says to use this twice a day, and I don't recommend that. I use this maybe every 3 days or every other day. Because what it does is it gives you, sorry, my eyebrow's itching. It gives you those like melia bumps underneath your eyes if you use it too often. So that's just a heads up. So after I apply the hyaluronic acid, I like can't say that word. So after I apply my hyaluronic acid, I typically apply a moisturizer after, just to kind of like solidify everything and sink it all in and make sure that my skin's like nice and plump in the morning. So I like to use, this one is by the Cream Shop, or yeah, Cream Shop. I kept calling it Creme in a video that I did of this, but it's the Cream Shop, and this is the pink water cream, and it is ultra dewy. I'll show you guys inside. I love the smell of this, by the way. It smells like strawberries. But this water cream is $24. Isn't bad at all. You can get that, I think you can get it right on Amazon as well. But yeah, I'll have everything linked down below for you guys in case you want to purchase any of these. Another great one is by Hello Body. So this is Cocoa Day. So they have a night lotion and a day lotion, just depending on when you're doing the exfoliation process. But that is this one here. So this one is a little bit more expensive. This is $30. I just like supporting Hello Body in general because their company is actually, it's made by women for women, and it's all about like women empowerment. So in that case, I think it's worth it. But that is the end of the video. Let me know what you guys think of these products. Let me know if you've tried any of these, or if you use anything that's kind of similar to these that you would recommend. I'm always up for new skincare products. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Make sure to subscribe. I've been posting a lot more. So my schedule right now, I'm doing Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So yeah, if you guys want to see more videos from me, make sure you hit the bell to get notified when I do upload a new video. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. I always have this dumbass smile at the end. Come back, please.